What's going on, everybody? I need to put the power antenna on the Supra. So there we go. So that's what I'm doing right now. I've already kind of got started. Not too much to do. There's these pins right here, all around, has screws in it. So I've already removed those, and I'm going to get to the motor and see if I can repair this thing. Okay, so once you remove all the little tiny screws that go around, you're able to pop this one out. It was already cracked. I did not do that. But anyway, you'll expose the motor right here, which we need to pull out. It's secured by a couple bolts right there. And then we also got to take this off right here. So let's do that now. In case you don't know, you just twist this off in order to remove it. And then it comes out like that. Alright, after you take it out, you'll want to remove this as well. Hold on to that. Disconnect this cable from it, and the drain plug, which is right here. So when it rains, it goes to the bottom. And then I couldn't get this off, so I'm just going to work with it right here. Alright, when you open it, you're going to have like this glue or adhesive or grease, whatever this is. And then I believe the new one is going to go around here. So let's check it out. So I already finished it, but what you're supposed to do is you take the cord and you feed it in after you turn the radio on. And then once it's fully on and the motor stops moving, you turn it off, feed it in, and it'll take it all the way down. So now this will happen. Will you turn it on, Jonas? Turns on, the radio comes on. There we go. Nice gold right there. We got plenty of clearance. It's nice and straight. And now turn it off. Now when we turn it off, power antenna, baby.